So, it's only... No, did that wrong, didn't we, for fuck's sake?
Yeah.
So, what is it? I said, yeah.
Oh, it's take two.
Take two. So, what is it?
It's only
FPV Friday.
FPV Friday.
So, I thought in this video, I'll be showing you what you can fly with your goggles free. Now, I've got a bit of a collection here. All these drones I've been flying FPV. I'll start off with the Avata 2. I've got the Neo, the Neo 2, the Air 3 and the Mini 4 Pro. And I can use either of these controllers if need be. But if you watch any of my videos, I can safely say I won't be using this one because it's just too fast for me, guys. I mean, you can fly in normal mode, but I don't really see the point of that. I just prefer the motion-free controller. But I just thought to give you some idea what you can fly with these goggles free, guys. Now, I'm not too sure about the goggles N3, but with the goggles free, you've got quite an assortment. Now, as you probably already noticed, there are some that I haven't got, and that's the Air units, and these are the ones where guys make their own kits up. I'm not into all that stuff, guys. But what I haven't flown for a long time is my Air 3. Now, another thing you've got to find, guys, that maybe not all your drones are connected to your goggles. So I'm going to show you how you do that now. So what you need, obviously, is your Mini 4 Pro. You need your phone. You need the cable that come with the goggles free. You need the cable that's going to connect to the cable that will go to your phone, which I'll show you in the Mo. Goggle free and your motion controller. So the next thing you need to do first is turn on everything. So I'm just going to get my phone set up. Use the cable that you're going to connect to your phone into the adapter there. That will go in underneath the goggles there, into there. This will connect to your phone. And what you do then, you go into your Go Fly app. So let's just get this all up. Let's turn on the goggles. Let's turn on the controller. Okay, I'm just going to go straight into the app, the Go Fly app. You'll see there the connection guide. Now, I haven't put on the Mini 4 only because I've already connected the drone up, but I just thought I'd just take you through the process of it. So then you come up onto the screen, you press the Mini 4 Pro, you confirm that. Obviously, what we're going to do, we're going to turn on the drone. That's okay. And then I'm just going to do the bleeps. Right. It's going to ask for the controller. Okay, you saw that the motion controller. It doesn't usually go that quick, but if you just click on that, then that will take you in. This is just making sure that the props are okay. And I have to actually go into my goggles for that. And I just take it over to say I've completed the check. And there you are. It's that easy, guys. So that means now, next time I go out flying, and if I'm flying the Avata 2 and I want to change over to the Mini 4 Pro, I just turn it all on. I don't even have to bother with this because it's already connected all up. So that's good. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to go outside and we're going to fly them. I think personally my best FPV drone is still going to be the Avata 2 because you can go in through doors. I wouldn't want to fly this through a doorway, really. And I'm not going to even try that, guys, but we will go out and test these. So, see you in a mo. So I thought the first drone I'll take off, guys, is the Air 3. I'm just going on to switch them over. but because they're all connected now, just go into status, press that, so I go down to the bottom, there it is, click on it, switch. That's what I like this. Once it's all set up, guys, it's so easy to just swap from one drone to another. So we're already in. Yep. Okay, yep, we're all in. Just a reminder, you're motion free, use the strap, guys. It just makes things so much easier. So let's get it going. The Air free. Right, I can see already that I'm just going to send it over that way a minute, because what I can see is I've got no recording going on at the moment. So unfortunately, with the Air free, I just couldn't get the video to come on. I tried everything, so I don't know if there's a bug on the system, but for some reason I couldn't even get the goggles to record. I couldn't obviously get the video to record, so a bit of a shame really, because it flies no problem. Big drone obviously, but it flies like an FPV. But yeah, sorry guys, no footage. Okay. Okay. Anyway, going to swap it over now to the Mini 4 Pro. Let's have a quick look on the switch. Status. Alright, done the Air free. There's the Mini 4. Switch it over. Okay. Right, off we go again. We do the same sort of thing, we just do a circuit. So unfortunately, the same again, guys, with the Mini 4 Pro. Same problem, it just wouldn't record. Flies fantastic, but as you know, want to capture some footage, it just wasn't doing it. So, there you are. Have a look. Oh, it's better. Still going to be off the landing pad, and it's going to get those weeds. Change over again. Okay, so the Neo's on now. I'm just going to again switch it over. Okay. Okay, so off we do it again. Now it is a little bit windy, as I've mentioned many a time when I'm doing the Neo. It didn't like the wind, even a little bit of wind. But hey, it's still a brilliant drone. I still like messing about it. I don't fly it as much as I used to, obviously, because now I've got the Neo 2 now. But yeah, I still think, you know, the picture is great quality. It's a little bit more better on the corners, I must say, than, you know, like the other two that I've just flown. And obviously coming in here, it's a little bit more. I mean, to be honest, should be able to capture, shouldn't I? Right. Bring it to me. Yeah, we've done it. Okay. Video's working. Off we go. Bit more whizzy. Got it on normal mode. Feels like I've got blooming sports mode on. Okay, off we go around the circuit. Yep, these last couple of drones could be so much better, guys. Hello. God, it's okay. See if I can catch it. Oh. Without me sticking my finger through the props then. So anyway, that worked fine. That's good. And my best one for FPV, I must say, even though I do like the Neo 2, it's got to be my main one, which got me into it really, was the Avata. Yep, video's on. I stopped it. Do it again. Finger on the button a bit longer.
I'm not sure about it, feels like obsession. Can't let go, yeah, you need my connection. Don't be shy, let me hear your confession. I won't ask you no questions, you can trust my discretion. One taste, one touch, yeah, you lose control. You're so obsessed, but you already know. I see it in your eyes, there's no way to hide it. Too many seconds you're wasting, yeah, you don't need to fight it. I can tell that you're lost, there's no point in denying. I can see that you're lying, kinda cute that you're trying. One taste, one touch, yeah, you lose control. You're so obsessed, but you already know. Can't stop, can't breathe, I got you second.
So I hope you enjoyed that bit of fun. Just shows you what you can do just going out if you've got these types of drones, even if you just got one of them. But I'm not too sure about the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3, and I think even the Neo. I'm talking about the video footage, because they weren't indicating that they were on. And when I checked the settings, they were all on. So unless there's been, because there's been a few updates, hasn't there? I haven't flown the Air 3, could be a couple of years. I'm on about doing FPV. And also the same with the Mini 4 Pro. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Might be when I get there, when I get back, I don't know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. That's the main thing. This proves that what you can fly. Unfortunately, I made a few videos about that. The Air 3S, it's not on there, and that's been quite a while now, isn't it? That Air 3S has been out, what, well over a year. Mini 5 Pro, okay, still, I suppose it's still a bit early days yet, because they haven't seemed to have done many updates on the Mini 5 Pro. I think it'd be interesting to have the drone connected, but it'd be great to hear what you guys are saying. You know, if you got the Air 3S, or I know a lot of us have got the Mini 5 Pro, and we're just waiting. Will it ever happen? I don't know. It sounds like with this Avata 360, you can use this type of goggles. So it'd be interesting to see what if they add anything extra at the time of the update. So it's got to be an update very soon, because we've already had an update the other week with the controllers, but not actually with the DJI Fly app yet. So that is waiting. Anyway, so just before I go, guys, I just want to give out a big shout out, because Andy's always plugging me, so it's only best that I plug Andy. Please check out his channel. He's at long last changed the name to Drone Life. So guys, check it out. He does some amazing stuff. He goes in the woods. He goes in the woods at night. He goes all over the place. But check out Andy's channel. Support the drone people. Anyway, as always, as Andy would say, but I would say, I'm going to see you sooner, sooner, sooner. Finished now.